Light disappeared, but life didn't. In the darkest places on Earth, eyes became unnecessary. Here are 10 creatures that evolved without sight. Number 1. The Mexican tetra. Deep inside the limestone caves of Mexico lives a fish that tells one of the clearest stories of evolution in action. The Mexican tetra exists in two forms, one that swims in sunlit rivers with fully developed eyes, and another that lives entirely in darkness, born blind. Over generations, cave-dwelling tetras lost their eyes because sight offered no advantage where light never existed. Instead, their bodies invested energy into heightened senses, allowing them to detect tiny vibrations and changes in water pressure. Number 2. Olm. Hidden beneath Europe's underground rivers lives a creature that seems almost mythical, the olm. With pale skin, a long body, and no visible eyes, the olm spends its entire life in absolute darkness. Although tiny eye structures exist beneath its skin, they never fully develop, making vision impossible. What truly sets the olm apart is its extraordinary patience. It moves slowly, conserves energy, and can survive for years without food. In a world where resources are scarce and change is slow, the olm's calm endurance has allowed it to survive for generations, making it a symbol of life's ability to adapt with wisdom rather than speed. Number 3. Apalachicola Cave Crayfish. Beneath the surface of Florida's Apalachicola region, an underground world shelters the Apalachicola cave crayfish. This creature has completely lost its eyes, replacing vision with long antennae and highly sensitive limbs that help it explore its surroundings. In the stillness of cave waters, even the smallest vibration can signal danger or opportunity. With food limited and survival uncertain, this crayfish moves carefully and deliberately, conserving energy while remaining alert. Its pale body and slow movements reflect a life shaped by darkness. Number 4. Blind cave eel. Gliding silently through underground waters, the blind cave eel is a master of sensing the unseen. Without eyes, it relies on its ability to detect pressure changes and chemical signals in the water around it. In complete darkness, these subtle cues become a detailed map of the world. Rather than chasing prey aggressively, the eel waits patiently, sensing movement before striking with precision. Its survival depends not on sight, but on awareness and timing, proving that vision is only one of many tools life can use to understand its environment. Number 5. Kauai Cave Wolf Spider. Inside the lava tubes of Hawaii's island of Kauai lives a predator unlike any other, the Kauai Cave Wolf Spider. Unlike its surface-dwelling relatives, this spider has evolved without eyes, yet it remains an active and skilled hunter. It navigates its dark volcanic tunnels using vibrations, touch, and chemical signals left behind by prey. Over time, sight became unnecessary, and the spider's other senses sharpened instead. This remarkable adaptation shows how quickly life can change when darkness becomes permanent, transforming a visual hunter into a master of perception. Number 6. Blind velvet worm. The blind velvet worm belongs to an ancient group of creatures that existed long before many modern animals appeared. In dark underground environments, some velvet worms gradually lost functional eyes, relying instead on touch and smell to hunt. Moving slowly and carefully, the velvet worm approaches its prey before releasing a sticky substance that traps its target instantly. In the quiet darkness, this method is both efficient and precise. Number 7. The Eyeless Millipede. Deep underground, the eyeless millipede lives a life built around simplicity and purpose. With no need for vision, its eyes disappeared over generations, replaced by sensitive body structures that help it navigate tight spaces. Feeding on decaying organic material, this millipede plays a vital role in recycling nutrients within cave ecosystems. Though it moves slowly and quietly, its presence supports the delicate balance of life underground. Even without sight, it contributes to a system where every creature matters. Number 8. Texas Blind Salamander. In the clear, dark waters beneath Texas lives a salamander that has never known light. The Texas blind salamander has pale skin and underdeveloped eyes that never function. It spends its entire life submerged, sensing prey through water movement and chemical signals. Because its habitat is so sensitive, even small changes in water quality can threaten its survival. Number 9. Sea urchins. Sea urchins challenge our understanding of vision itself. Although they have no eyes, Their bodies are covered with light sensitive cells that allow them to detect shadows and movement. In darker underwater environments, this unique form of perception helps them respond to threats and navigate their surroundings. Instead of focusing light through eyes, sea urchins sense it across their entire surface. Their unusual adaptation shows that seeing does not always require eyes. Sometimes the whole body becomes a window to the world. Number 10. The eyeless shrimp of the Bermuda Caves. Deep within the flooded caves of Bermuda lives a fragile, transparent shrimp that has completely lost its eyes. In total darkness, vision offered no benefit, so evolution shaped this shrimp to rely entirely on touch and chemical sensing. Food is scarce, movement is cautious, and survival depends on precision. Despite the harsh conditions, this shrimp continues to exist, quietly maintaining its place in a hidden ecosystem. Its story represents the final proof that life can persist even at the edge of possibility. So, that's for today. See you next time. Goodbye.